6 times greater risk of hospitalization with pneumococcal pneumonia than adults under 50. Schedule your appointment today at vaxassist.com.
Cows 100.9. That's going to do it for me, John Partridge. I'm stepping on out of here. The cool
teams have exposed some of your weaknesses and some of the areas that they felt that they were going to be able to get.
How God grows us. Yeah. So I accepted that challenge. I accepted the growth, and I did what I could as much as.
Live music and baked goods. Relax in the beautiful outside patio. City Pages writes, voted top.
On, they will not know the kind of blessings that we have known. I'm not talking about 100 years from now.
Thistle and globe artichoke extract. All natural ingredients that help protect the liver so that it can protect you from toxins. It's like giving my body a...
How? Well, we've added everything you love about your car radio into the free iHeartRadio app. With easy-to-use presets, you can now save...